We are Team No Tree Left Behind from UMass Amherst, and we volunteered with Mass Audubon Arcadia Wildlife Sanctuary, the largest nonprofit conservation organization in Massachusetts.
The main mission for Mass Audubon is protecting the nature of Massachusetts.
We dedicated 2 days of volunteering with Arcadia. That time was spent at Graves Farm, where we worked with David Mclain removing invasive species.
Invasive species are particularly abundant in disturbed habitats, but glossy buckthorn can get into an undisturbed forest and grow in the understory, and then that can affect the natural succession by blocking out native tree seedlings and things like that.
We spent our time focusing on a particularly devastating invasive species called glossy buckthorn, which originated in Eurasia. It was widely recommended for conservation plantings in the Midwest until its invasive tendencies became apparent. It creates dense thickets and outcompetes native vegetation. Its fruit is widely dispersed by birds and small mammals, making it hard to control. The leaves are simple and shiny, with 8 or 9 pairs of veins and untoothed margins. There are tiny flowers that bloom from late May through to September, with 5 greenish-white petals arranged in clusters at the basis of the leaves. The bark is a blotchy, grayish-brown with prominent light-raised areas. The roots are a very deep, dark red. After we identified the glossy buckthorn, we used shovels, shrub wrenches, clippers, and some elbow grease to remove these invasives. The part of Graves Farm we were working at is expected to take at least 2 years with a steady flow of volunteering to eradicate glossy buckthorn from this section of the forest. Overall, this experience taught us how to identify an invasive species, the devastating impact they can have on an ecosystem, and how difficult it is to remove one once it has taken hold. Looking at the difference between the infested area of forest on December 2nd compared to the first time we volunteered clearly showed that the civic engagement and environmental leadership of the community played a large role in making a positive impact. Seeing the glossy buckthorn decrease was very rewarding to us as a group in knowing that we had an impact in preserving this natural environment. Civic engagement means working to make a difference in the everyday life of our communities and developing a combination of knowledge, skills, values, and motivation to make that difference. It means promoting the quality of life in a community through both political and non-political processes.